Hey there mga may loves Aquarius! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ng reading na ito for you guys, reminders na hindi po ito for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think ay para sa'yo. At kung feel mo na reading na tayo for you, then this reading might be ready for you. And syempre, lahat tayong gender dito, by lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates with you. And timeless ito at wala tayong gender. So, ano pang wini-waitings natin dito? Tinan natin ang mga mensahe for you, Aquarius. Spirits and angel guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Wait, patiently waiting kayo dito for someone or for something to happen. Yeah. Kasi gustong-gusto mo talaga tong bagay na to, gustong-gusto mo talaga tong sitwasyon na to, no? Or gustong-gusto mo talaga itong tao na to. So just take how this resonates. Basta hinihintayin mo yan. Kasi dyan mo nakikita yung stability mo, dyan mo nakikita yung happiness mo. Sa iba, pwedeng yan mga babes no ay trabaho, hinihintay mo na sumagot yung employer sa'yo or yung company na pinagpasahan mo dito ng resume or ng curriculum vitae mo. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing you patiently waiting for this and justice is what is about to happen. Yan, taray, may hustisya. May hustisya ang paghihintay mo. So, expect some kind of a positive outcome right here. Yeah. At nakikita ko ikakagulat mo ito. Yeah. Dadating ito as some kind of a blessing, mga babes, no, na hindi mo ine-expect, no. Kumbaga parang, oo, hinihintay mo yan, pero hindi mo ine-expect, no, na makukuha mo yan. Taray, may pa-surprise. Aquarius na natin kung ano pa itong mga dapat ninyong malaman. So, we have here, you see, something is coming, something or someone, a situation is coming. And I think whatever it is that you're waiting, patiently waiting, kasi yun yung nakita ko while shuffling, no? It's coming. See, it's coming. Roman numeral number 5 is present here. Okay, and Roman numeral number 7 is what I'm seeing as well. So, I'm getting the vibe that because you exerted and believe that this is yours, ayan na, sayong-sayo na mga babes. See? Kasi kinonek mo dito yung sarili mo, no? Pinagnilayan mo yan. Gusto mo kasi itong bagay na to. Pinag-effortan ko yan. Nilagyan mo ng passion, no? Ayan mga babes, kunin nyo na. Claim nyo na mga mahal. Ayan, taray. See? Lovers is right here. Nakikita ko dito mga babes that because you connect right here with the Gaia, you connect with the universe, you connect right here into your soul, into your intuition. Yeah, I'm picking up that this is you with the lovers right here, definitely. You have options pa nga. Okay, so ibig sabihin, no, yung iba paparating na nga dito yung hinihintay mo, sitwasyon, trabaho, pera, pangarap, no, material world, material gain, no, yung iba love life yan, no, yung iba may options pa talaga kayo rito, mga babes. Yan, nun, taray, pero I can see that you're connecting right here, and there you go, you have here consistent number, you've got number 6 and you've got number 7, which means consistency is the key. So, ibig sabihin, no, consistent na ang parating nito at wala na ako nakikitang delay dito for you guys. No more waiting mga mahal kasi this is it. This is coming your way. Wow! Expect it to come your way mga babes, no? Yeah, I love it. Okay? So, we have here the Knight of Coins energy. Oo, hinintay mo nga talaga to ng kahit tagal. Yung nakikita ko dito. So, kung tao yan na nakikita ko dito na may pag-reciprocate ng pagmamahal na binibigay mo sa kanya, ibabalik niya na ito. So, pwedeng magkakaroon ka na ng relationship, pasagutin ka na nitong tao na to. Or kung proposal yan, no? Dyan sa person na love mo, no? Bibigyan ka niya rito ng sagot and it's a positive yes. Wow! And if you are waiting right here for some kind of a job right here, waiting for the employer to contact you via email, via phone call right here, or via any online online applications right here, I'm picking up that they're gonna call you back right here. There's an opportunity and you've got options pa nga. Wow! Nakikita ko rito, no? Kung ano to? Matagal mo nang hinihintay. Kahit hindi yan may kinalaman sa trabaho or pag-ibig, kahit yan ay tungkol sa ibang bagay, sitwasyon. Okay? I'm hearing also recovery. Yan, no? I don't know if it has something to do with health or it has something to do with pag-recover ng money, pag-recover ng health issues, or pag-recover dito, no, mula sa pain. I can see healing. I can see everything right here being recovered like parang walang nangyari ritong damage. Yeah, you know what that means? It's new life. It adds up to your confidence. It gives you hope right here. Yun. See? Love it, guys. See? What did I told you? Victory. Yeah, it's a positive yes. You will achieve that. You will achieve that recognition. There's success in whatever it is that you're waiting. Kung ano yung paparating na yan, may tagumpay dyan mga mahal. Ano yung hinihintay mo na yan. Promotion. Kung matagal ka na dyan sa work na yan, matagal mo na nilalaban niya, man-notice ka na dito ng company, I can see you getting promoted right here, credited right here, increase of salary, whatever it is that you're expecting, whatever it is that you're paying much attention here, focusing here, and believing that it's gonna come to you. Yes, my loves. It's coming towards you. And then seeing that it's coming, diba? Wala pa nga yan lumalabas na mga yan, mga babes, no? Nakita na natin yan. And I'm getting excited for you guys because this is coming, okay, in no time. Like maybe tomorrow, maybe later, okay? Mamaya bago ka matulog, no, sinagot ka na pala niya, tatawagan ka niya. I can see right here positive news coming your way. Yeah. And it's a call for celebration. At ikaw, nakikita ko magtatawag ng celebration dyan. Yeah, naririnig ko, nakakantsawan ka. Libre. Yan. Handa na ba ang wallet mo? So, nakikita ko dito that you're gonna be celebrating right here because you're gonna achieve something that you're longing for so long. Taray, Aquarius. So, yeah, emotional fulfillment, happiness right here, foundation for the family. I can see you here providing more to your family right here. If that's finances or that's coin-related, money, career, job, business. I'm seeing that your family right here will be happy celebrating this achievement with you. I'm seeing that you're gonna be building a strong foundation right here, supporting your own family, your parents right here, your siblings. I can see you here achieving here the life that you want, building here a happy family with your future spouse. I can see everything aligning here in your favor because what we saw is the justice, diba? Kanina. So, wow. Wow, Aquarius, I don't know what you're doing but continue doing it, yeah? Okay. So, yeah, happiness. You nailed it. Aquarius. Look at that. You have here victory. You have here emotional fulfillment. I'm seeing you in teary eyes right here. Happiness is coming your way and it's coming to light right here. Everything is gonna be in alignment. See, this is the solar system right here. Diba our teacher keeps on saying alignment of the stars, alignment of the planets, alignment of the steroids, yeah, and black holes, right? Everything. See, I'm hearing that because your life is aligning right here. I can see you getting here the job that you want, getting the career, the job that you want, if that's what you want. I'm seeing you here getting the specific person, the ideal partner that you want. Yeah, I'm seeing that you're getting the love of your life. Yeah, and I'm seeing you in emotional, fulfilled, contented, satisfied, 10 of Cups energy. What more can you wish right here? It's like you have everything. Happiness is on your way. See? At deserve mo kasi with the Knight of Coins energy, tagal mo yung hinintay, no? Kaya deserve mo to, Aquarius, yung nakikita ko rito. Okay? This is victory over a long battle right here. And there's this happiness. Okay? Sinasalubong ka rito ng pamilya mo rito. Sinasalubong ka rito ng stability. If that's money, if that's coin, if that's business right here. I'm seeing you here achieving all of these things and you're in alignment with your soul, with your intuition, with the universe, with the Gaia right here. Yeah, so at the bottom of the deck, let's see more. Yeah, we have here Devil, but you know what I'm getting right here? Okay, this Devil cannot hurt you. This is someone here who caused tower in you, see? Because you're gonna achieve everything. You're gonna achieve everything. Bago pa itong makarating sa inyo, tong devil na to na nang iwan sa inyo, 5 of Coins energy, iba sa inyo, single mom, single dad, right here, see? Oh, meron siya daladalang i-offer dito sa'yo, pero wala yan sa kung ano yung meron ka rito magkakaroon sa buhay mo. May i-offer siya sa'yo rito pero lumalabas pa rin siya bilang page. So, hindi matibay ang offer na yan. Okay? So, this person right here is coming in with an offer na hindi mo tatanggapin. You're gonna reject it because this is someone here who caused this tower moment with you, left you into the situation, and there's this double here. Yeah. So, definitely, whoever this double is coming in, Aquarius, you're not gonna let this person enter your gate. Yeah. So, you do not need to worry right here. This devil right here, I can see that this devil is seeing you. Creating your fabulous world right here. When I say fabulous, it looks like you're gonna achieve right here. Feeling that you're living the good life. Okay, yung iba luxurious, no? Kasi I'm seeing that you're shining here like a diamond. And syempre, you know, yung ex mo rito, nagsiselos rito sa kung anong meron ka. Yeah, this person, this ex of yours is jealous of what you're gonna have. Ayan, no? See? Well, yan napapalano ng tao rito, no, na materialistic na hindi makapaghintay ng iwan, no, kasi akala rito wala na mangyari sa buhay mo. So, dyan ka na, boy. Or dyan ka na, girl, chupi-chupi. Yan, parang ganun ka, no. This is you, see? You're moving away from the devil. You're moving away from the devil right here, see? Because you can see through whoever is this. Yeah, and you're saying, no to this devil. Yeah, you're on the right path right here, honey. So, I can see that you do not need to worry because I know. Kaya nga sabi ko, pagkakita ko dyan kanina, hindi nyo yan dapat alalahanin kasi sobrang hindi yan makakapasok sa mundo ninyo. Kasi kung sino-sino itong nasa mundo ninyo, they're gonna protect you from this person here. Yeah, you have genuine people around you. Kaya bago rin yan, mga babes, no, makatungtong sa gate mo, meron pa yung mga haharang rito ng mga taong tuning na sumusuport at nagmamahal sa'yo. So, wow, Aquarius! Love the message, okay? So, wow, claim this because I know that you deserve this. And especially, ang tagal mo tong hinintay. So, talagang deserve mo to, diba? So, yun nga mga babes, no? Claim this and receive this. Thank you so much. Love and light. And, sarang heyo, annyeong!